have a really cool banjo to show you today. The most obvious thing about it is what's written on the head. So in tribute to Pete Seeger, this says, "This machine surrounds hate and forces it to surrender." And that's what Pete famously had on his banjo head. And of course, we're sometimes can be reluctant to reference somebody else's art. So we wanted to work this out really carefully with this customer. For instance, we chose to use Nicole's handwriting and artwork and coloring instead of the original. And also we talked to two groups of friends that were friends with Pete Seeger when he was live and asked what he thought about those tributes. And people said, and we were told that he liked it when people put this on their own banjos. But we still decided to give some money from this instrument to Pete's Hudson River charity. He started a charity that's a conservation and education charity in his area, so I thought that was appropriate. So anyway, this is in collaboration with our customer. This is our little tribute to Pete's famous banjo. So the rest of it, so I used curly walnut for this instrument. Some pretty fancy stuff that was from down near Medford, Oregon. It's got a 12-inch rim with a little brass tone ring in it. Fiber skin brand head. Then some really kind of dark and stripy pistachio with lots of reds and purples in it here. Yeah, 12-inch block rim, non-steel strings, and the brass is also darkened. We darken and age it with a little chemical aging process that looks really cool. Made a nice little walnut bridge there that I really like with it. So yeah, this 12-inch rim with all walnut, that seems to be a pretty popular model. It's even with the non-steel strings, it's pretty loud. And some folks really like the extra large rim for how much depth and resonance are in it. Yeah, so this is for a repeat customer, and I'm really excited to see what they do with it. I'm just really happy to get to make such beautiful things that make music as well. So this is number 872, ready to go. Cheers.